Good afternoon everybody, we're in Harrow just outside West London working on this ice cream van, Ford Transit, and this Range Rover Evoque. Both are having 3-stage engine carbon cleans. Was called in because this one obviously does a lot of stop starting and idling and is running rather sluggish. Customer had put in some Cataclean fuel cleaner in it, which had improved it, so he decided to go with a engine carbon clean with us to hopefully restore the efficiency and performance of the engine. The Evoque, while we're here, is having a preventative clean. Neither have got any faults at all, so they're getting customers getting a multi-vehicle discount. This can be as much as £50 discount per vehicle on a £150 service, depending on the number of vehicles that you supply us. £50 discount for 6 vehicles and above, but slightly less depending on the number of vehicles if it's less vehicles. So the 3-stage process, for those of you that are not aware, the hydrogen, this machine here is pumping hydrogen in through the air intake, which is breaking down the carbon back into its hydrocarbon gases so that it can exit through the exhaust nice and safely. Just show you. We give this a quick rev. You might see some puffs of black smoke. Yeah, there's a bit. It may or may not be showing up on the video. There is a bit. It was a lot smokier when we started, but it's coming towards the end of the clean on this one. Our second stage is the injector cleaner chemical. Basically, this breaks down the gunk and carbon that builds up on the tip of the injector, allowing for a full spray pattern on the fuel. If you get a nice spray pattern on the fuel, you'll get a cleaner combustion and therefore less carbon in the build up in the future. And our chemical cleaner, which also goes in through the air intake, basically this dries out the carbon and gets rid of the oily sticky gunk that builds up around the EGR, the turbo, the intake manifold, etc. Before we use the hydrogen. So for one vehicle, this service costs £149.99. That's us coming out to you with full dealer level diagnostics, and you can find your local technician across the UK at carbon-cleaning.co.uk. That's carbon-cleaning.co.uk. We also offer full dealer level diagnostics, remapping, DPF cleaning services, as well as the carbon cleaning services. If you've got any questions, please pop them below or give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Have a great day.